Hello, my Taurians. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. So, guys, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon to get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Let's see what are the energies trying to guide you. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please. We begin with rebirth, projections, master, and celebration. Are you in a third party? If you are, you will get backstabbed, or that feeling of taken for granted. For a few, there could be a possibility that you've been through that episode or you're experiencing that episode. Take whatever resonates, my love. Okay, it's not for all, but yes, there is a part of you that you are missing, and probably that's the reason you're getting attracted to somebody who's just like you. But be careful. Remember, you're the master of your life. Your higher self is trying to tell you something, so follow that. If you've been through any heartaches, gather that courage. Do not get confused, because right now in these first 10 days, that's how the situation is coming. Emotionally, you guys can be happy. You have your friends who are there to help you, reunions, happy moments. Okay, ideally everything is coming. So I think it's something related to your past. You need to take control of your life and walk ahead without carrying any any such bad feelings. Okay, is what the first 10 days are trying to tell you. You have good things, work wise can be good, but I think on emotional grounds is something you should be focusing on. Okay, again I'm repeating, avoid third party. Let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. We begin with comparison, creativity, laziness, and innocence. Darlings, it's a beautiful week. Stable connections are coming up. Emotionally, you guys are going to be happy. Whatever you manifest, your dreams are coming to reality. Avoid comparing. Whom are you comparing? What conflicts are you holding on to? Are you comparing yourself with someone else? Are you scared? Are you getting that thought of being judgmental? Because somebody's trying to judge you or something on those lines? No. I think if you surpass this, whatever you want, you can achieve. So again, it's a beautiful week. Trust me, make the best use of it. Whatever you want, you can achieve. Again, I am repeating my line. Whatever you want, you can achieve in the midweek. Just avoid this conflicting thought. Now let's come to the last week. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. Suppression, new vision, slowing down, postponement. Baby, finance, for sure. Suppression, new vision, postponement. If you change your perspective, everything comes to you. I think everything lies in your hands. That's what the entire reading is trying to tell me. Because emotionally, financially, mentally, you can be happy. But are you ready to accept it? I think there is a part of you that is not. It's like, because you are my earth babies. You're so focused that this is what I want to achieve. But darling, there is a part which is trying to say compromise, right? And you're not ready to do that. You are in a hurry. You have to take breaks. Either ways, you're dealing for some reasons. Why are you holding? When you need help, please ask for help, because I think you're just overburdened with lot many things. It could be even overthinking. Need not be in reality, but it's just in your thought process. Now let's ask your angels some guidance. Can I just have one, please? Why am I getting 2 or 3? Just one, angels. Relationship. Beautiful. You have a relationship with yourself. You need to maintain relationship with others. Love heals anything and everything is what I would say, but I think you just need to change your perspective. Strengthen your bonds. Okay, that is what your angels are saying. Now let's come to your love life, because we have relationships, so there's got to be something. We have lightning and coffee cup. Lightning is trying to say sudden changes, transformation, surprises, some shocking news, but that's okay. That's okay. Why? Because when you go out, when you meet your friends, when you sip on a coffee and just get connected on that friendship level, you will feel uplifted. So I think it's more about relationships. This entire changing your perspective towards relationships. I think that is how your tagline should come. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. False person. Somebody is not showing their true colors, and maybe that's the reason universe is reminding you every now and then. Change your perspective. There could be someone who you've had immense faith, and probably they might come up with some some lightning effect, some sudden change, which is trying to say always be on your guard. Okay, only trust yourself. So how should I sum up this month? Change your perspective and trust only yourself. Why? Because there are people who are mirroring you. You've come out of it, you've decided to move ahead, but there is still a part of you that is still stuck up. So you need to change your perspective. Only then that stuck up part can move ahead. Finance is coming to you. Emotionally, you guys can be happy, but mentally, your logical mind is stopping you. Okay, work on your relationships, because that's how everything will start getting to healed. Whatever unexpected surprises are coming, that's okay, part and parcel of life. You have your friends, sit down, meet them for coffee dates and just unwind, will make you feel good. Please be aware, there is someone who is not showing their true colors, and that could be a shocking effect. That's the reason it's trying to say change your perspective and keep your eyes and ears open. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.